The importance of vehicle inspections cannot be overstated. By inspecting your vehicle before a trip, while you're en route, at each stop, and after every trip, and completing a driver vehicle inspection report, or DVIR, you'll be able to identify safety defects and deficiencies that need attention before they cause a hazard. If you find something questionable during your inspection, have it checked out by a mechanic before you hit the road. It's entirely your responsibility. The regs state that you, the driver, must be certain your vehicle, its parts and accessories, are in safe operating condition. Those are exactly the things Leroy's looking for in this pre-trip.
Some examples of problems that require immediate attention include fuel and cargo leaks, wheels with missing lug nuts, improperly inflated or badly worn.
Let's review the 7 steps that make up a good, thorough pre-trip inspection, no matter what order they're performed in or what type of unit you drive.
1. Vehicle overview. 2. Engine compartment. 3. Inside the cab. 4. Lights. 5. Walk-around inspection. 6. Check signal lights. And 7. Final brake check. The inside of the cab, which includes instruments and controls.
Before you get in the cab, check that the grab handle, door handle, and steps are free of grease or oil, and in the winter, ice. Be certain all your emergency equipment is in its proper place and that the fire extinguisher is fully charged and easy to access. It's also important to keep the cab clean and free of trash. Something as simple as an empty beverage bottle underfoot could be disastrous.
Test the air pressure and condition of the back tires. Look between the dualies for any debris that may be stuck between them. The tires should be the same type and same size and should never touch. Take a close look at the brake chambers, and again look for cracks or other signs of wear on the brake drums. Examine the rear suspension, springs, hangers, U-bolts, shackles, bushings, rod arms, and shock absorbers.
It's going to make your day go a lot better if you know there's no unforeseen breakdowns, and also it's going to make sure you get back home safely to see your family again at night.
The driver's position within the company is the most crucial of any of the positions in the company. The driver is the backbone of the safety program. Without the cooperation of the driver, safety just doesn't exist.
By conducting your pre-trip, en route, and post-trip inspections properly and thoroughly, and filling out the DVIR accurately and completely, you are doing your part to assist your company in maintaining safe tractors and tank trailers. And you're better able to deliver your cargo on time and safely.
Perhaps the most challenging commercial vehicle combination a professional driver will operate is the tractor and tank trailer, because the tanker is used to transport cargo that tends to move and continue moving while in transit. Cargo transported by vans and flatbeds is required to be secured so the load cannot shift. This is impossible with tanker cargo. By its very nature, cargo transported by tank will virtually always be in motion, and that motion will affect the handling of your entire combination. The more your cargo moves, the more it affects your vehicle's handling. Your job is to handle your vehicle in such a way that your cargo's movement is kept to an absolute minimum. Some tankers carry dry bulk commodities such as feed, flour, sugar, cement, or plastic pellets. But tankers are also the ideal container for a variety of liquid and other products, including petroleum goods, liquefied gases, asphalt, chemicals, food products, waste materials, water, even wine. As you know, there are a wide variety of tankers on the road, differing in shape, construction, and purpose. Typically, tankers are either elliptical, cylindrical, or double conical. The advantage of an elliptical or oval tank is that it has a lower center of gravity, which contributes to less load movement, therefore offering better handling. On the other hand, the cylindrical or circular tank is stronger and quite versatile. The double conical tank has a center drop for unloading from the bottom. A tanker either has one large compartment or is compartmentalized. If it has one compartment, it will either be entirely open, which is also called a clean bore unit, or it will contain baffles, which help cut down on the motion of fluid within the tank, making the vehicle easier to control. A compartmentalized tanker, as the name implies, is divided into multiple compartments, so different commodities can be carried within the same tanker. Although they do have a lower center of gravity, because of their shape, partially loaded elliptical tankers have more room for lateral motion of cargo. If they are between 25 and 80% loaded, they are more likely to roll over. Potentially dangerous driving situations can usually be avoided by implementing one very simple plan of action. Slow down and make no sudden moves. By utilizing the training, knowledge, and experience you have as a professional driver, and incorporating the special techniques necessary to drive a tanker, you will be able to perform your job with confidence and skill. And most importantly, you'll be able to perform your job safely.
You gotta treat that product with respect to get it there safely.
It's better to be in the defensive mode than it is to try to play catch up. You never win.
Keep it slow, keep it safe.